able to understand how to use exact function, find, proper, repeat, and how to use a data entry form, and also you can understand how to connect one sheet cell to another sheet shell, and then specify a text within, and then from which point you want to start, from which position you want to start, that number you have to specify. So now let us see one example so that it will clear the use of function. So here the word computer. So I want to search the letter present in this computer world. So to do that, so I'll write a function is equal to find, and then in bracket the first parameter search a text, the text you write which you want to search. So I want to search P, whether P is there or not. If it is there, then it will give you its position. So then put the comma, and then you want to search P from which text, the text which is present in A15 cell. So specify this and put the comma, and you want to search the P from beginning. Beginning means the first letter onwards I want to search, therefore I am putting 1 here. Then put the full bracket, then enter. So it is saying that 4, the P is present at the 4th position, so it means P is present. So you can say here C is in 1, O 2, M 3, P is in 4th position. So it means present, therefore it is showing 4. If the specified text is not present, then it will give you an error. For example, if I write here Z, so if I will specify Z, then it will definitely give you an error, that is a hash value. It is saying that the value is not present, that's why the error is indicating. So this way what we can do is we can find the text. Now let me take one more example by changing the text here, finding text. Now I will use a T. So T is there or not? Yes, it is there. So that is a 6th position, it is there. So this way the find function is used. The proper function is used to convert the first letter of a word to become a uppercase. So to do that, so we use a proper function. So its syntax is proper, in bracket either you write a text or a cell address of that text. Now let us see how to convert the first letter of a word into the capital. So for example here, so I'll write everything in lowercase. Computer is a device. So here what happened, I will convert C, it will this proper function will convert C as a capital, I is also converted into capital, A is also converted into the capital, and D is also converted into capital, because all these are the first letters of the word. So the proper is converting first letters of a word into a capital. So let me check. So is equal to proper, proper, so in bracket specify the cell address. So here it is a cell address A17. So here you can see here, so computer first letter is capital, E's first letter I will also converted into the capital, and A as well as the device. So here device is also converted into capital. So this way the proper function is used. The replace function is used to replace the old text from adding the new text. Its syntax is replace old text and starting number and number of characters and then a new text which we want to add in the old text. So let us see the example so that you will understand. Suppose the letter is old Belagavi. So this is a text in A19th cell. So here in B19th cell I want a new Belagavi. So it means I want to place new in the place of old. So to get that new Belagavi in this cell, so the function will be is equal to replace in bracket old text, that is entire text we have to specify, that is the cell address I have to specify. Then starting is the starting word is start from 1. So 1, 2, 3. So totally there are 3 characters and it is begins from 1th position. Then comma, how many characters? 3 characters. And what characters you want to put into the world? So that is you have to write in quotation, that is I want to enter as a new in the place of old. So then bracket complete. So this is how we can write to place this new in the place of old. Now let us see. So this old is replaced and the new is placed. So like this you can replace any word, any part of character into the existing content of a cell. Now using form we try to enter the data into the sheet. So to get the form, go to the file or office button and select the Excel option and go to the custom. So here you check whether the form is available or not. So if it is not there, if the form is not there, then you click here and then select all commands. So in all commands definitely you will get the option form. So here the form will be there. So I will select and add it to the quick menu so that later I can use it for form entry. Here this is the form, select it and add to the your menu, then say OK. So this will be available in the quick bar. So this is the form. So using this form, let me add the data into the table. So before that I will create one table. So now this is my table. Let me enter the data into this with help of the form. So to enter or to use the form, first select the fields, that is the table fields you have to select or table headings you have to select and then click on this. So then say OK. Now it will give you one table. One form it will give you. Now you go on, enter the data. Here is an asking a serial number, give the serial number 1, then press the tab. So the name you type here, then next gender it is asking. If it is a male you write M, female you type F. So next age is asking. Okay, To go to the next record, you just press on new. So the entered data will be coming on this table. Now let me enter the next record, second record. So name, gender, AF, then age. Again, to give the new one, next record, press new. So that record will be placed here. Again, third record. Age, so this is like this. We can go on enter the data. Suppose if you want to go previous record, so you can press this. So we will get the previous records here. Suppose if you want to go the next records, then you click on this. Suppose if you want to delete the first record, the serial number 1, then go to the record number 1 and then simply say delete. So it will ask you delete record will be permanently deleted. If you say OK, then it will go forever. So this way we can use either we can delete or edit or enter the new record into the sheet using data entry form. So this is how we can use the data entry form. So if you want to close the form, just simply click on this to close. So this way we use a form to enter the data into the sheet. Now let us see how to connect a content of one sheet cells into the another sheet cell. For example, here I have two sheets. One is A sheet, another is a B sheet. This is an A sheet and this is a B sheet, which is an empty. Now I want to make a link between these cells of A sheets into the cells of B sheet. So here A sheet is having serial number, name, TT, TP, ES, IM. I want these field in B sheet also. So how to get? So to get those, what you do is here you can write a formula that is equal to, then the sheet name, to which sheet you want to connect, the sheet name you have to specify. The sheet name is A. The sheet name is A, and then put the exclamatory symbol and then write the cell name. So what is the cell? That is serial number is present in A1 cell. So write A1 cell and enter. So this is how we get A sheet's serial number into B sheet A1 cell. Similarly, to get next field, then is equal to A is a sheet number, sheet name, then exclamatory, then B1. So this way we get the each cell's content of A sheet into the B. Now I will simply copy that. So these are the contents of A sheets. In this video only this much. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet you again with the next part of MS Excel. Until then, take care. Bye bye.